Hey everyone and welcome back. The Toyota GR Supra is back for 2025, and this time it's all about one thing: pure, exhilarating performance. But is it just a rehash, or does it offer something truly special? Let's jump in and take a closer look. Big news for 2025, the Supra ditches the 4-cylinder option. Now, it's all about the legendary 3.0-liter turbocharged inline-6 engine. This powerhouse cranks out a whopping 382 horsepower and 328 pound-feet of torque, launching you from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in a scorching 4.3 seconds. Buckle up, because this Supra is seriously fast. But it's not just about straight-line speed. The engineers have dialed in the handling for razor-sharp precision. The car feels glued to the road thanks to a superbly tuned suspension and a limited slip differential that optimizes power delivery. Whether you're carving up canyon roads or hitting the track, the Supra inspires confidence. One of the most exciting changes for 2025 is the return of the 6-speed manual transmission. This is a huge win for driving purists who crave that connected, interactive experience. Plus, with rev-matching technology, even less experienced drivers can enjoy smooth, heel-toe-like gear changes. The 2025 Supra is a head-turner. The aggressive lines from the sharp nose to the muscular haunches scream performance. The iconic Supra roofline and those signature pop-up headlights are a modern take on a classic design. It's a car that demands attention wherever it goes. Inside, the cabin is a nice balance of sportiness and comfort. You get supportive bolstered seats that hug you in corners, a driver-focused cockpit with all the controls within easy reach, and an impressive 8.8-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Legendary performance, the 3.0-liter engine delivers exhilarating acceleration and sharp handling. Manual transmission option, a dream come true for driving enthusiasts who crave a connected experience.